In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app icon in Base44. Start by opening your browser and going to Base44. Once the app loads, look toward the main navigation and click on Apps. This brings up the view with all the applications you can work on. From here, select the app you want to update. If you see a My Apps or Workspace view, pick the highlighted app or the one you're actively maintaining so you're editing the right place. After the app opens, go to the dashboard. This is where you can see the high-level overview and access the branding elements for the app. On this page, click the current app logo. It's typically shown in the header or the overview panel. Clicking it opens the logo editor so you can update how your app appears across tiles and headers. Inside the logo editor, you have two convenient options. If you already have a brand mark ready, choose Upload. Select the image from your computer and let Base44 preview it. For best results, use a square image, at least 512 by 512 pixels, and a PNG with a transparent background so it looks crisp on different backgrounds. If a crop or framing option is available, center the icon so it stays clear at small sizes and doesn't get cut off. If you don't have a logo handy, you can create one right here. Click Generate Logo, then choose Generate New Logo. Base44 will produce a fresh icon based on your app's context. Browse the suggestions and pick the one that best fits your brand or the app's purpose. If none of the options feel right, you can generate again or switch back to Upload to use your own artwork. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. This applies the new icon to your app. Give it a moment to update. You may need to refresh the page or revisit the apps list to see the change reflected across thumbnails and headers. A few quick tips to ensure your icon looks great everywhere. Keep the design simple with high contrast so it's legible on both light and dark themes. Avoid tiny text that won't be readable at small sizes and leave a little padding around the edges so the icon doesn't appear cramped. If you manage multiple workspaces or environments, repeat this change in each one to keep everything consistent. And that's all it takes. Go to Base44, open apps, select your app, head to the dashboard, click the current logo, choose Upload or Generate Logo, generate a new logo if needed, and then save your changes.